lyrics to the song. Dreams by Cranberries. What a cool song. Okay. Oh, my life is changing every day, every possible way. I'm using the picking pattern number 2. Okay, this one, but on the D chord. So it is, let me actually write it down for you guys here. Okay, boom, 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 boom. And it's gonna be P-I-P-M. P-P-M. Let's put some more reverb on. So basically pattern number 2. So practice that pattern before you get into this. But G, we're just going to do the same pattern, but just the first note is going to stay on the root note of the G. And then A, same pattern, but the thumb goes to the 5th string. Every possible way. Oh, my dream. Never quite as it seems, never quite as it seems. I know I felt like this before, but so you get the idea. It just keeps going like that. The interlude we're not going to do in this course, okay? Because that's like F and a B flat. But I died. Possible to ignore. You could also do the 1, 2, 3, 4 strumming with this. I want more. Possible to ignore. Let's put less reverb on. So you get the idea, basically. Picking, strumming, blah de blah de blah. You could do the other picking pattern as well. The easy one, the 5th one. Changing every day. I'm doing an A7, you could do a regular A. Capo 2 is the original song. Okay, so you could do it Capo 2 if you wanted to play along with the original. Very nice song.